And we'll go over here. And so we start in the pool of the side yard. And we come to the stream that is now the path. Or the path that's now the stream. That is just all water. Yeah, it's just all water. And we'll follow this stream. The pond is now overflowing. More stream. There's just a bunch of water out there. And the stream flows into the new pool we've added in the side yard. Yeah. That's just all water.
Yeah. I mean, it's so slowly moving too.
Where is it going? It's not going anywhere, is it?
No.
Yeah, no, it's just in there. Man, this isn't that bad. Oh, sorry. Man, we can't really see anything over there. All right, good.
Yeah.